All the graduates, let us all stand up. And please raise your right hand and follow after me. We, the graduates of Palawan Adventist School, Elementary Department Batch 2025 to 2026, do hereby pledge to be loyal and bring honor to our dear alma mater, realizing the need to pursue higher education. We promise here to conduct ourselves honorably and to uphold the Christian standards of education, thus bringing the glory to our Creator and friend. May the divine guidance be upon us in our pursuit